Hey guys, so I'm going to show you some unboxings with Younique. Well, not exactly with Younique, but first things first, this is going to be my first order. I actually got a free packet of our collagen. This stuff is freaking amazing. If you guys have not yet tried it, I highly recommend trying it. Mainly because it has so much good stuff for you, and also it's a liquid, so liquid does like absorb your goodness first. And then this box has a mattifying primer. I actually got two mattifying primers because I do go through it very quickly. I got our Spray foundation in the shade Lace. They are discontinuing, so make sure that if you do want that, grab it because there's only a few left. There's hydrating primer. I got a serum foundation in the shade Lace as well. I got another mattifying primer, and then here is another serum foundation in the shade Tool. Alright, for the next box, I actually got the stick foundation in the shade Lace. I got the stick foundation as well in the shade Tool. I got also another spray foundation in the shade Tool as well. And then not only that, I got 3 highlighters. All of our face products are on sale, you guys. Like, these are amazing. Let me see if I can quickly. Here is one shade that is so blinding. Oh my gosh, the shade Golden. These are like super like wet feeling. Like, look how pretty that is. I love that. Whoops. The next shade here is called Frosty. Oh my god, look how beautiful that looks. And oh my word, isn't that frosty looking? Woo! And look at this beautiful shade. It is called Blushing. Oh my god, I'm so excited to give this one a try as well. Like, I am in love with these highlighters. Like, who would not be in love with these things? Like, they are freaking bomb.com. So if you buy at least 3 of these highlighters, you're saving 20% off. If you do more than 4, you're saving 25%. So if you guys need help with anything, please let me know. If you need a color match as well, let me know. The reason why I got multiple different shades is because, one, I am tanning, so my shade range is going to be a little bit different. So if you guys need help with anything else, just comment below and let me know. I'd love to help you out as well. And I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing of all the products that I got from yesterday and today as well. Comment below if you need anything or